apologize for not posting. I do not have a laptop, nor do I have any other means to record. I've only been able to do this because someone was kind enough to lend me their phone. I have a camera woman today. Her name is Sena, and she'll be helping me, so I want to thank her for assisting me. Today we'll learn about pronouns. Now we're going to do subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, we, they. I'm going to give you the Oromo translation for each of these. I, ani, you, ati, he, inni, she, ishen, we, nuti, they, isan. I can repeat the subject pronouns in Oromo for you. Ana, ati, inni, ishen, nuti, isan. We just finished the subject pronouns. Now we're going to do the object pronouns. I'll quickly go over the object pronouns in English for you. Here we go. Me, you, him, her, us, them. This is the English version, and now I'm going to go and translate it to Oromo. So, me, ani, you, si, him, isa, her, ishe, us, nu, them, isan. I'll repeat it in only Oromo. Here we go. Ani, si, isa, ishe, nu, isan. Guess what's next? You got it. Possessive pronouns. Same pattern as before. I'm going to quickly say it in English, then I'm going to translate it to Oromo, and then last but not least, I'm going to say it all in Oromo, the same as before. So here we go. Mine, yours. His, hers. Ours, theirs. Got it? So you can play back if you want, or you can look at the description down below. I'll have it written down there. Mine. You have multiple ways of saying this. Kia, tia, ko, koti. I'll repeat that again. Mine, kia. This is when you're talking about something that's masculine. Tia is feminine. As you know, these words are not new. We've covered it in the family vocabulary, so you can go back and check that. Then we have ko and koti, which is just mine, and it's just used in different areas. Then we have yours, kan keti, kan keti. And then we have his, kan isati, kan isati. Her, kan isheti. Ours, kan kenya or kan kenya. Kan kenya or kan kenya. Then there's kan isaniti. Kia, tia, ko, koti. Split. It's space breakage. Next line. Kan keti. Kan isati. Kan isheti. Kan keni. Kan keni. Kan isaniti. That was it. Pronouns. I'm sorry for the background noises. I'm not in a sound. See you next time, whenever that is, whenever I get to the phone another time. So I guess see you next time. That's it for today.